Hi, and welcome to this Introduction to Dask video tutorial, in which you'll learn how to scale your Python data workloads with parallel computing. My name is Richard Pilgrim, and I'll be your instructor for this course. I'm a developer advocate at Coiled, and a self-taught Pythonista, with a background in human geography and architectural design. And I can talk endlessly about parallel computing, Arabic natural language processing, and pickling, although preferably the kind with actual cucumbers and salt. You can connect with me at these links. I'll be happy to chat anytime about Dask. In this course, you will build intuition to understand what Dask is. You will write code that will show you how you can use Dask, and you will gain an understanding about how Dask works under the hood. But let's start with the most important question. Why are you here? Chances are you are here because either your code is running slow, or your data doesn't fit into memory, or you're running into both of these problems. Well, the good news is that Dask lets you overcome all of these problems, so you've come to the right place. This course is divided into 5 modules. In Module 1, we'll talk about the power of parallel computing in general and give an overview of what Dask is. Module 2 dives into how to process tabular data with Dask data frames. Module 3 covers how to process array data with Dask arrays. In Module 4, we'll dive into machine learning with Dask ML, and we'll finish off with Module 5, in which you'll learn how to parallelize Python code with Dask delayed. I'm really looking forward to covering all of these modules with you and showing some of the awesome things that Dask can do. So let's jump in, and I'll see you in Module 1.